I don't like that. It's too close.
Oh my God.
They burn. They burn.
Whoa.
Lil, where are you? 11 years.
Wow.
Watch these fireworks this year together.
Wow.
Can you believe
They weren't with us last year.
that? What?
They weren't with us last year.
Did it get on him? Back up, Paul.
What?
He just got. No, he just got one right on his shirt. It's okay.
We got it. They always got it.
Holy.
Ow, my
Shit.
eye. My eye.
No. Don't tell me nothing went in your eye.
Smoke.
I don't see anything, baby.
Smoke.
You want to go back there? You want to go back behind Lily?
I want to
There we
record
go.
this.
There you go.
This way.
The only thing I'm not looking forward to is the grand finale.
Watch it. They're gonna ask, what the hell is that? Nanny protecting? I don't like these.
Look at the big smoke ring that it made.
Oh, yeah.
I don't like these. They're too close.
Smoke ring?
Yeah.
See, they're not even going over there, really.
I guess.